This is the newly modernized elevator at the Center for the Communication and the Arts at Gannon University in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is originally a 1978 Otis hydraulic elevator. It was completely original, but sadly this year it has now been modernized by Schindler with an HXpress modernization and Mad BS Classic. I do like how they kept the call one on the door jamb. That's nice. Oops, we have a fully flush swing return. That's where the original lantern was. And they kept the original cab, but they put new lighting. Up to 3. Here we go up. Here 3. Back on 1. Then we have our Otis center lock, but that's a new Otis center lock, not an old one. It's a basic original figure grain Otis cab. It's the original cab, but they put, I don't remember if that pen or picture was there before. I don't know if that's new carpet, but yeah, they put new lighting in. It's brighter, usually a little dimmer. Back on 1. Unfortunately, you can't just close the doors or open the doors at random times with the old quirky Otis controller. It closes and that's going to be it.